Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cowboy boot kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make to ensure your beloved cowboy boots stay in top condition for years to come. From the rich leather to the intricate stitching, these boots represent a significant purchase, and with the right care, you can protect your investment and keep them looking their best. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting and using a cowboy boot care kit, helping you maintain the beauty and durability of your favorite footwear. Number 5. Chemical Guys Leather Kit. This kit is your secret weapon for restoring leather. It's perfect for everything from car interiors to your favorite leather jacket. Cleaning and conditioning are key to keeping leather looking its best. This kit provides both, ensuring your leather is soft, supple, and smells amazing. The cleaner is pH balanced and odorless, gently removing dirt and oils. The conditioner, with vitamin E, nourishes and protects, leaving it feeling luxurious. It's not just for cars. Use it on leather jackets, shoes, furniture, anywhere you have leather that needs some TLC. Chemical Guys is known for top-quality products and exceptional customer support. It's more than a brand, it's a community of car care enthusiasts. What we like. It's a 2-in-1 kit that effectively cleans and conditions all kinds of leather. If you have multiple leather items that need care, from car interiors to boots, this is a great all-in-one solution. Its pH-balanced formula ensures gentle yet thorough cleaning, leaving your leather soft and supple. What people say. Easy to use, great quality, the product really cleaned up and conditioned my leather handbags. Worked fantastic. The boots were a dusty mess but now look new again, plus the bag which looked dried and cracked looks beautiful. Does a great job cleaning and a wow factor job shinning and moisturizing. Number 4. JobSite Premium Mink Oil Paste. This premium leather paste is designed to protect your favorite leather boots and shoes from the elements. It's the perfect solution for keeping your leather looking its best. It's specially formulated to waterproof and preserve your leather, keeping it supple and resistant to cracking. This will extend the life of your favorite footwear. Simply apply a small amount of paste to your leather and rub it in gently. It's that easy to protect your investment. This rich, nourishing mink oil deeply penetrates the leather, conditioning and protecting it from the inside out. It leaves your leather soft and supple. You can trust JobSite for quality and durability. It's a product you can rely on to keep your leather looking great for years to come. This convenient 3-ounce jar provides ample protection from multiple applications. It's the perfect size for your home or on-the-go use. What we like. This kit uses premium mink oil to waterproof and preserve your leather boots. If you're looking for a specialized product to protect your footwear from the elements, this is the perfect choice. It will keep your boots looking great and extend their lifespan. What people say. It is as easy to apply as shoe polish, it goes on smoothly and evenly. Be aware that it might darken the color of the leather you are applying it to but not change the quality of the leather. It is water resistant. It sheds water to prevent your leather from becoming dry from the elements. It is safe. Buy all leather products from gloves to shoes, boots, and even tack, jackets and belts. Keeps my boots dry when I'm out hunting, fishing, and working. Great product and makes your old beat-up boots look halfway new again. Works as intended, goes on super easy with no mess or smell. Water just rolls off my boots with this stuff and the little jar is good for half a decade of annual waterproofing. Number 3. FOOTMATTERS Shoe Shine Valet Box. This Valet box is the ultimate solution for keeping your shoe care essentials organized and easily accessible. It's crafted from beautiful hardwood, making it a stylish addition to any home. It's built to last with high-quality hardwood. This ensures durability and adds a touch of elegance to your shoe care routine. Keep all your polishes, brushes, and cloths neatly stored inside. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers and hello to effortless shoe care. With everything you need within reach, maintaining your footwear has never been easier or more enjoyable. It simplifies your shoe care process. It makes a perfect gift for the discerning shoe enthusiast in your life. They'll appreciate the quality and convenience it offers. This Valet box isn't just storage, it's an upgrade to your shoe care experience. It elevates the process into a refined ritual. What we like. It's more than just a care kit, it's a beautiful hardwood box that keeps all your shoe care essentials organized. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and want to add a touch of elegance to your shoe care routine, this is for you. The convenient storage makes maintaining your boots a stylish and efficient process. What people say. This is a well-made box that arrived in great condition, it's just right for the smaller items that I use for leather care, everything works as should, no complaints. The shoebox is well made and it stores all of your shoe polish and brushes nicely. It's not really that large but it's a nice shoebox. That's well made. The box is cedar wood and is well made. The kit comes with black and brown shoe polish, a number of cloths. One shine brush and another smaller brush. Number 2. Bickmore Boot Care Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your leather goods looking their best. It's perfect for boots, shoes, and more. Start by using Bic 1 to gently clean away dirt and grime. It will leave your leather refreshed and ready for conditioning. Next, apply Bic 4 to soften and nourish the leather. This will help to prevent cracking and keep it supple. Finally, use Guardmore to protect your leather from the elements. It creates a barrier against water and stains. With this kit, you can easily clean, condition, and protect your valuable leather items. Keep them looking great for years to come. It's suitable for boots, shoes, handbags, purses, jackets, and more. Give your leather the care it deserves. What we like. This kit offers a 3-in-1 solution for cleaning, softening, and protecting your leather goods. If you need a versatile product to handle all your leather care needs, from boots to handbags, this is a convenient option. It simplifies your leather care routine while ensuring thorough cleaning and protection. What people say. All the products in this travel kit work very well, even on older, cracked leather surfaces. The Bic 1 is great at removed old wax, dirt etc. without damaging the leather. Bic 4 always my go conditioner and polish. Bought this mostly for a new pair of lizard skin cowboy boots, and used it on an older pair of cowboy boots and it made them look like new. Number 1. Bickmore Leather Travel Kit. It's the perfect solution for keeping your leather goods looking their best, wherever you are. This handy kit has everything you need for quick and easy repairs and shines. Say goodbye to scuffs and scratches. It easily repairs minor damage, keeping your leather looking new. Bring back the shine. It polishes your leather goods to a beautiful luster. It's simple to use and leaves a protective layer. Get a brilliant shine with minimal effort. It's designed for a quick shine on the go, perfect for busy lifestyles. It's compact and portable, so you can take it anywhere. Keep your favorite leather items looking their best, no matter where your travels take you. For generations, Bickmore has been a trusted name in leather care. This kit continues that tradition of quality and convenience. What we like. It's a compact kit perfect for travel, allowing you to maintain your leather goods wherever you are. If you're always on the go and need a portable solution for repairing, polishing, and shining your leather items, this is ideal. It ensures your leather goods stay looking their best, no matter where your adventures take you. What people say. My boots were starting to look bad after years of use. I applied this and my boots look great now. The cleaner soaked into the leather and lifted all the old oils and dirt and immediately softened the leather. After the cleaning I applied the conditioner and the leather softened even more and became supple and took on a nice luster. Excellent package, small, easy to carry, products work great. The Bic 1 cleans perfectly and the Bic 4 leaves a smooth touch and even helps on scuffs and discoloring leathers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.